Wix Studio AI Image Creator Tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use the Wix AI Image Generator or Creator. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. Head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and after that, we're going to find the dashboard of our Wix account. Now, as you can see, this is the site's dashboard. We're going to have multiple websites. Do not panic. We need only one specific website that we are going to use, and it should have at least the built on Wix Studio label. If you do not see one of the websites that you have having this label, like this, built on Wix Studio, you need to click on create a new site, and you're going to have the opportunity to click on try on Wix Studio. So once you have tried Wix Studio, it is going to create a Wix Studio website from here. After that, it is going to be much easy to proceed the work on. So what we're going to do now is going to be very simple. After we have selected the website, we're going to find the dashboard of the website. And this dashboard is going to be from here. Now, either you're going to be on the setup or the home page, we're going to click on edit site. So once we have clicked on it, it is going to show you the website as it is. So basically here, like that, I'm going to have my website. So this is our website. This is the Wix Studio website builder. As you know, it is going to have an inspector here. Now, how we can generate an image. So we're going to select one of the sections. It is going to be preferable to have a new section. I'm going to add a section here. This section, we're going to add an element for it, which is going to be an image. We are going to click on image. Here we have the image. We're going to have everything like that. So it is basically going to have a standard image added. Doesn't matter a lot. We do not need to choose an image at first, because it is going to be a matter of generating an image with AI. So now, as you guessed, when you click on the image, we're going to have the parameters. On the parameters, we can go ahead and have create AI image. You're going to select that. It is going to head over the photo studio. It is going to be a beta version, so that means that it will take or make mistakes, obviously. Maybe sometimes that it is not going to be very precise, not very what do you want, but it is going to do the job. So the first thing that you're going to do is to head over the description of the image. As you can see, be as specific as possible for best results. We're going to create the image. I'm going to put this image as something equal to that I'm going to write right now. Let's say New York, for example, city at night with a sign of Batman on the sky and a cat wearing Batman suit. So let's be like that, of Batman, not Catman. So the style of the image is going to be that we are going to choose here. As you can see, it is going to be either a photo, backshot, illustration, painting, sketch, fantasy, cartoon, whatever. So I'm going to start by a photo and see. Let's generate the image and see if it is going to take action word by word here. This is going to be a tutorial to show you how it is going to work. As you can see, you have guessed it, it is going to be right. You can have the image, you can use it, and also you can change the style. So I'm going to make it maybe cartoon. Just like that. And you can see it is going to be the case. How cool is this? So I can use this image, you can crop it, extend it, for example, and do whatever you have to do here with it. So I can go ahead and click on save, and boom, you're going to find your image just like that. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.